guys, there's a new product I purchased today, which is Anker PowerPort PD Plus 2. Actually, my Apple charger has gone like from the 1st of January in the morning. This one stopped working. I don't know why, but I was always connected this to the power and it was on always, but I don't know the reason why. This is an original one, even though this went out. I don't know why, so I don't have much confidence on Apple chargers anymore. Like, I'm in Germany and the current power supply is really good over here, and even I don't know why. So like, I don't have much trust about these Apple chargers anymore. So I thought of going off Anker, which is MA5 certified, which means made for iPhone. And this is Apple officially Apple officially approves their chargers as well. So like, especially they have mentioned over here, charge iPhone and other flagship phones up to 3x faster, and USB-C and USB-A both here. So like, you can use like conventional charging as well. Like, means if you don't have USB-C, you can use USB-A as well. And on the bottom they have, see, 2 ports, 35 watt of power, full speed charging. So which means this one cannot alone provide 35 watts in the same port, like 20 watts from this one and 15 watts from this one. So it's like that. So let's open this up, and I wanted to show you the unboxing experience of this one, which is really nice. Like, it says like open me. It has the magnetic cover, you know, in this box. Like, it's amazing that they spent money on opening this cover experience as well. See, this is like magnetic. See, it has the magnetic way of opening the box, and see, it has some beautiful images, multi protect safety system, power key 2.0, voltage boost, multi product. You can connect 2 devices at a time, which is 20 watts from type C. See, 20 watt power from type C and 15 watt from this power IQ from type A. So see, this is the charger, and it looks really nice, but it's a little bit big. But I believe this is not a GAN charger, I guess. So not gallium nitride charger. I think the size is big, means you have better components in it, as per my personal belief, but I think I might be wrong at some points. So let's open this one up and see how things goes on. And I'm going to open this one now. Right, I opened. Now let's see. And I wanted to show you guys this one plugged in, and yeah, let's check this out. It's coming out. This is it then. Look how beautiful it is. All right, I just opened it. This is the charger. See, it has mentioned PowerPort PD Plus 2. And now let's go ahead and connect this to a PowerPort. Right, let's go and connect this to a PowerPort. It's connected, and let me turn off power for this. And here, all right, we got the blue light. And now let's charge the device. Let me show you guys. I'm taking my speaker to charge, and yeah, this is it. And I have the charging cable with me. Right, let me connect this one, and let's go ahead and connect my charger. Right, nice, it's charging nicely, nothing to worry about. Apparently it looks good. So in the same time, now I'm doing this, connecting my iPhone with this charger at the same time. Let's try it. See, I'm recording with my iPhone. I don't know what will happen. Let's connect and see what will happen. Now I'm
device not found.
Connecting this now. Connected. And let me check. All right, so my iPhone also charging fine. So this is actually I wanted to show you. Two items are running on an Anker. This is a very trusted brand. You can charge your speaker or whatever accessory you have. At the same time you can charge your phone, and which is really nice. So that's what I wanted you guys to show about this charger and everything. So hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, by the way, I did not see this user manual inside. See, there's a user manual as well inside. Some information with paper stuff. So that's it guys, everything. So hope you guys see you in the next video. All right, till then, bye.